trying out this headlight restoration kit on the truck. So basically it has a cleaning and oxidation removal. That's for your step one. Here's the pack that it came in. I'm gonna try it out and see if it actually works, because it says it requires no tools, sandpaper, no sandpaper needed, lasting UV protection, and it restores headlights like new. So we're gonna go ahead and try this, see if it works, and I'm gonna give you a quick, run through of the lights before, and then we're gonna do an after. Here's the first package. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and open this up. I'm gonna start with the front passenger side to go ahead and get a feel for it and see how it does. It says on the back of the package that you have to be really careful, not to let this get in your eyes, because it's very toxic, it says, to your eyes, and it'll irritate, your sinuses. But yeah, there's all the instructions, and then you have the, what's added in it. So I'll go ahead and get back to you guys in a second and see how it came out. I'm back. So this is what we have. This is the top passenger side headlight. I've wiped it down, and this is what it looks like compared to this side I haven't touched yet. As you can see, the yellowing from here to there, that's what it's supposed to look like. This is what it looks like. So if I come on over to this side, I've wiped it down already. It still has a little haze on it. So I'm gonna take the UV protection wipe after this gets good and dry, and give it a wipe down and see if that'll make a difference. But so far it came out pretty good. It wiped off all of the oxidation, which is the yellow stuff. As you can see, it looks pretty good. So what I'm doing now is I'm just waiting for this to dry, and I'm gonna do open another pack, and I'm gonna do the passenger side and get that knocked out. Here's the wipe, and you can see all the yellow stuff that came off of it. It worked pretty good. I'll give it a, if I have to rate it 1 through 10, I'll give it a 7.5. Because it's still some, on there, but we'll see once we put the UV protection on there and see how it brings it out. That could bump up the rating on it, So there you have it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the other side. YouTube, I'm back. So this is the product that was produced by that one wipe. As you can see, now I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it down with a towel, and then I'm gonna go ahead and give it the UV protection. Finished product. It's all clear. It worked pretty well. As you can see, there's your passenger side. Here's the driver's side. So it worked pretty well. The only thing that I didn't do was just the underside right there, as you can see, because I didn't want to take the light off, but otherwise it did pretty well. And do I recommend buying that from the store? Yes, if you're trying to just get some of it off of your headlights and try to keep it clean. You can maintain it like that. But if you have them hazy and you put that on there and it doesn't work, it's time to replace the headlights. So there you have it, the Armor restoration kit. All right, Thanks.